Hello, this is your Ohio Weather Network forecast summary for Thursday, March 3rd, 2011. Let's get started with our weather headlines for today. We'll have mainly sunny skies across the state today. A few passing clouds here and there, nothing of anything that will really block out much sun at all. We'll have near average temperatures to slightly above average temperatures towards the southern part of the state as we get a little bit warmer with high pressure just off to our east. Saw some flooding concerns across many portions of northeastern Ohio. As those floodwaters continue to recede, just mainly minor flooding at this point. Those will continue to recede as the day progresses. However, there are rain and even thunderstorms in the forecast for the weekend that could reignite those flooding concerns once again as the ground still remains very, very saturated in many spots, and by that point, many of those streams and rivers will still be close to bank full, so it will not take much water to flood those streams and rivers once again. We'll have to keep an eye out for that. Watch for some flood watches that will probably be coming up here within the next 12 to 24 hours. More than likely, we'll see some flood watches definitely posted by, at the latest, Friday afternoon. So here's the latest weather summary picture. Again, high pressure just off to our east over northwest Pennsylvania. Mainly sunny skies today with near average temperatures against southern Ohio. You guys will be just a little bit above average in the 50s today. Be a really nice day down there. Columbus Almanac for today, high so far today 27, a low 23. Averages 46 and 28 respectively. The record high was 73, set in 1992. The record low was 0, set in 1980. No rain so far for the month or yesterday. Little over about 5.72 inches of rain for the year. And we'll say precipitation instead of just rain, because that does include snowfall. And right around normal, 0.83 inches above normal. Sunrise 7:01 a.m., sunset 6:26 p.m. Latest satellite picture. Not really sure what's going on with the satellite servers this morning, but everybody's satellite image seems to be just a little bit off today. This one's usually a green background, and not green today. Actually, it's just the raw image. Mainly clear skies across Ohio, as we can see, though. That'll be the norm for today. We see these kind of little bit of high clouds floating around in here. Those could even be just real low-lying clouds, like a little bit of fog burning off even too. This will all give way to mainly sunny skies later this morning. The latest radar image shows nothing across the state or even off to our west. Off to our northwest, though, we see some snow, and that'll stay well off to our north. So the state forecast for today looks like this. Mostly sunny skies across the entire state. I put in a few clouds for the northern part of Ohio, mainly to account for this morning, with an east wind anywhere between 5 and 15 miles an hour. Keep it feeling a little bit on the cool side. Because of that, 38 in Toledo make it feel a little bit cooler with that lake breeze coming across the edge. That'll keep the temperatures down some too. 42 in Cleveland, 44 Akron and Canton, 50 in Columbus, 53 Lancaster, 54 Athens, 55 Dayton, and 57 in Cincinnati. 5-day forecast for Northeast Ohio. Rain for Friday with a chance of a thunderstorm. Same for Saturday. A little bit better chance for a thunderstorm on Saturday. Right now, not expecting anything severe, but it will enhance that flooding potential. 48 is your high on Friday. 36 overnight Friday night. 52 is the high on Saturday. The low of 29. Cooler for Sunday. A chance of snow behind the system. Right now, really not looking at much in the way of accumulation here. An inch, perhaps two at the most. Stay tuned for the latest, though. 35 is your high, 16 is your low. Mostly cloudy to start next week off Monday and Tuesday. 40 for Monday, 21 Monday night, and 43 is your high on Tuesday. Northwest Ohio, chance of rain Friday, and a better chance for rain on Saturday. 47 is your high Friday, 38 overnight Friday night, 41 is your high on Saturday with a low of 24. Chance of a snow shower on Sunday, again, really not expecting much in the way of accumulation here at this time. Cooler, the high of 34 and a low of 15. And mostly cloudy for Monday and Tuesday next week. 36 is your high on Monday, 22 Monday night is the low, and 41 is your high on Tuesday. For Southeast Ohio, a chance of rain on Friday, the high of 55 and a low of 45. Rain with a chance of a thunderstorm on Saturday. 56 is your high, 35 is your low. Rain showers possible on Sundays as that system moves out, with a high of 40 and a low of 29. And mostly cloudy for Monday and Tuesday next week, with a high of 48 on Monday. 28 is your low Monday night, and 53 is your high on Tuesday. Finally, for Southwest Ohio, rain, chance of thunderstorms both Friday and Saturday. Definitely got a good chance for thunderstorms down here. Not looking at anything severe right now. We'll keep an eye on it, though. Stay tuned for the latest. 61 is your high Friday. 49 is the overnight low. 57 for your high on Saturday with a low of 32. Mostly cloudy for Sunday with a high of 42 and a low of 27. We'll call it mainly sunny skies for Monday with a high of 48 and a low of 32. Warmer for Tuesday next week with mostly cloudy skies and a high of 55. And of course, you can check out our website anytime for the latest weather information, ohioweathernetwork.webs.com. You can find us on Facebook and Twitter as well. Have a great day.